Hi everyone, this is your spelling test on Friday, the 4th of September. So remember we are focusing on words with ER as the digraph. So here are your 10 words. As always, Genesis, I expect you to do 6. If you would like to try more, that's great. The first word is ever. Ever. The second word is never. Remember on Monday, I said if you can spell ever, you can spell never. Third word, better. It is better to give than to receive. It's a very old saying, that one. Better. Number 4, mother. I love my mother. Number 5, happy Father's Day to all your fathers out there for Sunday. Father. Number 6, sister. Some of you have a sister or more than one sister. Next word, brother. Some of you have a brother. So we've got our members of our family there, haven't we? Mother, father, sister, brother. Number 8, other. Other. Number 9. Now number 9 and 10 are part of your 100 most used words, but they also fit in with our phoneme this week. So number 9 is under. Under. My dog is under the table. And the last one is over. I threw the ball over the fence. Over. So let's go through them again. Ever, never. Better, mother, father, sister, brother, other, under, and over. Now before you upload it, have a good look at it. If there's something you need to change, cross the something you need to change out and put whatever it is you think has to go in there again. It's okay to do that. Use your eyes to help you. All right, thanks everyone.